Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll teach you how to delete your Instagram account. This process is the same for iOS and Android devices. First of all, you must be sure that you are connected with the internet. So let's get started. Enter in your Instagram account and tap on the three lines in the right corner. Tap on the settings and privacy and then account center. There we can see the personal details, tap on it and then account ownership and the control. There are two options, memorialization and deactivation and deletion. We will choose the second one. Here you must tap on the account that you want to delete. If you want to take a break from Instagram, you can deactivate your account or delete it permanently. Here you can find your reason for what are you going to do it. You should tap on continue and write your password. In the end, click the delete button. I hope that this video was so useful to you. Don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel.